Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery, and as some of you may know, Legacy loves to work with the local high schools and junior highs. We spend a lot of time making sure that they're comfortable and that they know how to use their machine so that they can teach that next generation of woodworkers. This year, we split up our week for teachers into two separate training sessions. The first was for the junior highs, a 3-day session where we got to know the drawing software as well as made 4 separate projects during those 3 days. In our second half of our week for teachers, that went for the high school teachers where we built an incredible library chair that you guys have seen in some previous videos. If you're a teacher or you know a teacher, reach out to us here at Legacy Woodworking Machinery. We would love to get you involved in our CNC for Education. We have files, programs, and help for curriculum for teachers from junior high all the way to high school. Thank you guys so much. Can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Be nice to each other. We'll see you soon.